Hello, today I thought I would tell you a little bit about shipping tutus and unboxing them because they do get squished when they're shipped. In order to ship a tutu without squishing it at all, we would have to have special sized boxes made for the tutus that fit them perfectly, and they'd still probably get crumpled edges, and it would cost you about 5 times as much in shipping. So we don't do that. This is what we do. This is a hooped tutu, and this is an extra small tutu, so it's a 14-inch. You know, it's not very big. Bigger ones get squished more. It has a hoop in it, so we only fold it in half like a taco. So then what we do is we put it in this big bag. So you seal it up, and you squish the air out of it. And then we use this box. So we pack it. We also send you this paper. You should read it because it tells you how to unsquish your tutu. So now you've got your tutu, your hooped tutu, and you open the box and you're really excited. You throw the paper away without reading it. Don't do that. Pull out your tutu, and this one probably won't be very squished because it hasn't gone anywhere. And maybe the edges are crumpled, you know, or it's kind of mushed up like this. Start by straightening it out some with your hand, and then you can take a little steamer. You can steam the edges, or you can simply just lay it down flat and let it sit for a couple of days, and the edge wrinkles will come right out. You know, if you do decide to steam it a little bit, be careful. Don't over steam it. Nylon reacts to heat, but you don't see the reaction until it actually starts to cool. So if you have a little wrinkle in it and you steam it and it doesn't look like it's all coming out, leave it. Go around, finish the other wrinkles, let it cool, and then look at it. And if it still looks wrinkled, do it again. But don't keep steaming it and throwing heat into it and stretching it, because that will ruin it. So now we have another tutu. This one is a bigger tutu, about 15 inches, but it's not hooped. So in this case, we could ship it like this too. But the smaller we can ship it, the less money it costs you. In this case, what we would do is fold it in 4s and put it in a bag like this. Now I'm squishing the edges because I know that they will be fine. It can go in a box like this. Usually if we're going out of the country or somewhere that we know it's going to take a long time for it to get there, it'll go in a box. If it's going somewhere that it's going to arrive in the next couple of days, then it's going to go in a mailer. This is a mailer. It's plastic. You can't stick your fingers through it. It's waterproof. And it saves you money because shipping is just not cheap on these things, even though they're lightweight, because they're odd, such an odd size. And then you get it, you rip the seal, you take it out, and again, you may have to steam it. You can see these edges, but they will come out. They will come out within a day or two. So anyway, this is how a tutu will come if you order one from us. And you can always go on our chat online on the website. If you have any questions at all about tutus or about how to steam them, anything really, and we're there to help you. We try and answer them really quickly. Sometimes we're off by a few hours if we're busy, but we do get back to you.